Hi everyone, Marcia Stevenson here, Director of Advancement at DCH. This past Saturday would have been the 40th and final rare plant auction at Longwood Gardens. We are all so sad that it had to be postponed, but due to the coronavirus pandemic, we had no choice. We are happy to say that Longwood is committed to hosting this 40th rare plant auction at a future date. We will certainly let everyone know the new date just as soon as that decision is made. For now, though, we thought that we would share some fun images of past RPAs to give you some nostalgic memories and certainly something to look forward to as well. We hope that you, your family, and loved ones stay safe and healthy. Enjoy this early spring in your own gardens and let nature and plants give you some solace and peace. Can't wait to see you all in the future.